Good morning students, welcome to our computer class. Today we will going to discuss about the next topic, that is files and folders. What is a file? A file is a location in the computer memory where we have saved our work by a unique name. Student, here file means in which we can save our documents or information as well as our picture in the computer memory by giving it a unique name. In a file, we can do lots of things, such as we can create a new file, we can give a name, we can print the document. If not needed, we can delete them or save them for the future use. Now, what is folder? A folder is used to organize the file or other folder. For the better organization of file, folder help us to rearrange so that the content which are saved in the file can be viewed properly in the folder window. You can make two types of folder, for example, text folder and image folder. In the text folder, you can store all your text, and in the image folder, you can save all your images. Now the next topic is My Documents folder. My Documents folder is a default window which helps us for arranging our files and folders. To open My Documents folder, you have to double click on its icon and you can see the picture like this window will appear on your screen. Now we will going to see about the various components of a window. Here you can see the picture. There are menu bar, toolbar, title bar, minimize button, maximize button, close button and a status bar. Now about the title bar. This bar is at the top of the window. As you have seen in the picture, it tells you that in which program you are working along with the name of files and folders. Next one is the status bar. This bar is at the bottom of the screen. This bar tells you that in which folder or file you are working in it, and also shows whether the caps lock key is on or off. Next one is the menu bar. This bar is just below the title bar that gives you various menu options such as file, edit, view, favorites, tools and help that can be used in the program. The next one is the toolbar. This bar is below the menu bar. It has the shortcut key button of the various menu of the menu bar. Now the next topic is the control buttons. These buttons is on the top right side of the title bar. Here you can see the picture. These buttons are used to control the way of Windows appears on the screen. The different types of control buttons are maximize button, minimize button, restore button and close button. Maximize buttons. It is used to enlarge the window. Next one is the close button. It is used to close the active open window in which you are working. Next one is the restore button. It is used to change the window to its original size. Then minimize button. It is used to reduce the size of the window to small bar on the taskbar. Now the last topic is about creating a files or folder on the desktop. The simple step to create a folder is that you have to choose the folder option to create a folder. The icon will appear on the screen. Then you can type the name of the folder at the cursor position and then press Enter key, or you can
folders. To create a folder, one way is to right-click, select New, Folder. Here it is, and now you just have to give the folder a name. Pick something short but memorable. To rename a folder, right-click the folder and select Rename. To delete a folder, select the folder and select Delete. Keep in mind that if you delete a folder, you're also deleting everything inside that folder.